Hey, how you doing there, friends and subscribers? This is an update I've done on my latest solar tracker build. This will be solar tracker number 4. I've made quite a few changes to it, and I'm going to change the camera angle, and I'll show you exactly what I've done. I have much more articulation built into the mount now than I had previously, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, basically what I've done is I've changed the mount location for the north-south actuator. I've slightly changed the upper support, and now I can get -5 degrees past level, which would be tabletop, and I was able to push it a little bit further to where I can get a total of roughly 75 degrees. North-south action, which I think I had about 70 before, so 5 degrees is 5 degrees. And then of course we've got the, see if I can do this with this on the tripod. We've got the top mount here, and I believe that's got like 65 or 70 degrees east-west, which is much more than you'll ever use. So hopefully the next week or so, or 2 weeks, this will be up on the pole that's outside. I'm trying to give you a good look at it. Lighting's not so good in here. I did a good bit of playing around with it. I had to get this section down here where it would clear the pole. So -5 to +75 degrees. It's the most articulation I've got out of one of these so far. So I just thought I would share that build. It took me a while to do it because I only had really one hand that was working. So there's more to come. In a little while I'll show you the latest solar controller box I've built with fuses. And I'm also building a relay box, if you will, a repeater for the solar controller. So one solar tracker controller can operate at least 2 or more solar trackers with one control unit. So that's it for more. There's more coming. I'm trying to get back up on the program here, making some videos. So that's it for now. Stay tuned. There's more to come.